Hello and namaste everyone. So welcome back to my channel Mimi's Magic. So today we are going to prepare no yeast chicken pizza. So let's begin with the cooking. I have already prepared some veggies. I have tomato puree here. Then I have taken some Italian herbs. I have 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, some chicken, capsicum and cheese for toppings, and finely chopped onions. So first we are making the dough of the pizza. In a mixing bowl, take 3 cups of all-purpose flour maida. I'm adding 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Now mix these dry ingredients really well. Now prepare a mixture of butter with lukewarm water. This will help in making your dough really soft. Now adding the mixture little by little, knead the dough. So keep on kneading the dough till it gets soft and smooth. Here I have added 1 glass of mixture prepared. Knead the dough for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure that the dough becomes elastic and stretchable. It should not break. So the pizza dough should not be sticky. When you press the dough, it should leave your fingers or peel from it without any dough sticking to your fingers. Just in case the dough becomes sticky, then add some more flour and knead again. Now for the pizza sauce, we will be heating 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into a hot pan over medium-high heat and throw in some garlic and let it turn into golden brown. So likewise, we will be throwing in some chopped onions and cook until the onions are soft for 4 to 5 minutes. Add the tomato puree and stir to combine. We'll let the tomato puree to shimmer and then add Italian herbs. Salt to taste. Tomato sauce for some tangy flavor. Now reduce the heat to low and simmer for 30 minutes. You can also add some chili powder if you want your pizza sauce to be a little spicy. My sauce has turned out to be a bit thick, but if you want a really smooth sauce, you can blend it with a stick blender. Otherwise, leave it as it is. For my pizza topping, I am going to fry some chicken until it turns golden brown. Finally, this is the last step. Place the dough in a plate to give it a perfect round shape and spread the dough with your hands. Using a fork, prick several holes in the dough to prevent bubbling. Start spreading the tomato sauce evenly. Now place the chicken evenly. Now it is the time for some toppings. You can use any toppings. Here I am using capsicum. Sprinkle the grated cheese generously. Place the pizza inside the microwave. If your microwave has grill mode, you can cook it in combination of microwave and grill mode. That is what I'm choosing right now. I'm going to cook it for 6 minutes in 800 watt. Don't worry if you don't have an oven, you can preheat the cooking pot, placing some salt, and above the salt you can place the stand on medium heat until you prepare the pizza dough and sauce. When the whole process is done, place the pizza in the cooking pot and cook it for 15 minutes on medium flame. Finally, my chicken pizza is ready. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Mimi's Magic. Thank you. Bye bye.